एयरफोर्स अग्निवीर 02-2025 Vacancy equals 2500 Age equals 17.5 to 21 years Date equals the 4th of August 2024 Qualification equals 12th Diploma 2 years vocational course Fees equals all candidates 550 rupees per plus GST The Indian Air Force IAF has released the Agniveer Vayu Intake 02-2025 notification in the employment newspaper the 15th to the 21st of June 2024. The Air Force Agniveer New Vacancy 2024 online application form will be available from the 8th of July to the 4th of August 2024. Eligible male and female candidates can apply online for the Air Force Agniveer Vayu 02-2025 from the website agnipathvayu.cdac.in. The online application date for Air Force Agniveer has been extended to the 4th of August 2024. The online exam date for the Air Force Agniveer Vayu Intake 02-2025 is the 18th of October 2024 onwards. The Air Force Agniveer 02-2025 Air Force Agniveer Recruitment Organization Indian Air Force IAF Post Name Air Force Agniveer Vayu Adiviti No Agniveer Vayu Intake 02-2025 Vacancies around 2500 Salary pay scale 30,000 rupees per job allowances Job location All India Category Air Force Agniveer Application Form 02-2025 Official Website Agnipathvayu, cdac.in. Important Dates Event Date Notification Date the 10th of June 2024 Apply Online Start 8 July 2024 Last date to apply the 4th of August 2024 Exam date the 18th of October 2024 Application fees. All candidates, 550 rupees per plus GST. Mode of payment, online. Eligibility or qualification. Age limit, 17.5 21 years born between the 2nd of July 2004 and the 3rd of January 2008, both dates inclusive. Post Name Vacancy Qualification Air Force Agniveer 2500 12th Diploma 2 years vocational course Selection Process The selection process of Air Force Agniveer Recruitment 02-2025 includes the following stages. Written Exam CASB Physical Efficiency Test PET and Physical Measurement Test PMT Adaptability Test I and II. Document Verification. Medical Examination. Fitness Test PFT. Height 152.5 cm. Chest minimum expansion of 5 cm. Physical Fitness Test PFT. The test PFT will consist of a 1.6 km run, which will be completed within 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Candidates shall also have to complete 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, and 20 squats within the stipulated time to qualify for the physical fitness test. Air Force Agniveer Vacancy 2025 Exam Pattern and Syllabus. Science Subjects. The total duration of the online test shall be 60 minutes and shall comprise English, Physics, and Mathematics as per the 10+2 CB syllabus. Other than science subjects, the total duration of the online test shall be 45 minutes and shall comprise English as per the 10+2 CB syllabus and reasoning or general awareness drug. Science subjects or other than science subjects. The total duration of the online test shall be 85 minutes and shall comprise English, Physics, and Mathematics as per the 10+2 CB syllabus and reasoning or general awareness drug. Marking pattern for online test. 1 mark for every correct answer. Nil 0 marks for an attempted question. 0.25 marks shall be deducted for each wrong answer. How to apply for Air Force Agnivir Vacancy 2025. Apply online from the website agnipathvayu.cdac.in. Current affairs, GK, GK trick और jobs update के लिए like, share और subscribe.